Now see here, this is an example related to pressure. A 50 kg girl wearing high heel shoes balances on a single heel. The heel is circular with a diameter of 1 centimeter. And now what is the pressure exerted by the heel on the horizontal floor? So you have to calculate the pressure exerted by the heel on the horizontal floor. You know, for the pressure you need F upon A, force upon area. Force you know it, that is a force can be written here m into g, that can be written 50 into 9.8 Newton. Now this g is acceleration due to gravity here. Now area can be written here pi r square, where you know it r is equal to given to you here d by 2, that is a diameter 1 by 2 centimeter, and that can be written 1 by 200 meter. So we can write here this is 22 by 7 into 1 by 200 whole square, that is meter square. This is the area. Now we can calculate pressure. Pressure is equal to 50 into 9.8 divided by 22 by 7 into 1 by 200 square, that is Newton per meter square. And this on solving you will be getting 6.24 into 10 raised to power 6 Newton per meter square. So this is the pressure exerted by the heel on the horizontal floor. Now see here, Torricelli's barometer used mercury. Pascal's duplicated it using French wine of density 984 kg per meter cube. Determine the height of wine column for normal atmospheric pressure. You know, normal atmospheric pressure P is equal to, that is Pa is equal to H rho g, that is 0.76 meter of mercury column into density of mercury, that is 13.6 into 10 raised to power 3 into 9.8 Newton per meter square. So this is the normal atmospheric pressure. Now you have to equate with the wine column. So due to wine we can write here that we can equate it here. So 0.76 into 13.6 into 10 raised to power 3 into 9.8 is equal to, suppose let h be the height, h dash be the height in of the wine column. So into density of the wine, that is given to you 984, and that is given 9.8 is the g. So now we can get equivalent height of wine column. So this and this will get cancelled. So you will be getting h dash is equal to 0.76 into 13.6 into 10 raised to power 3 divided by 984, that is your meter, and that you will be getting here 10.5 meter on solving this.